Hello, dear animal lovers. Welcome back to another challenging mission carried out to the aid of an injured, majestic giant elephant, fighting through pain and in desperate need of life-saving care. This injured elephant was first noticed by a group of fishermen who were on their routine fishing trip. They have noticed that the elephant has been standing at the river dock for many hours. The presence of the elephant in this area is a serious threat to the fishermen, as it becomes aggressive toward anyone who gets closer to it. So, the fishermen contacted the Wildlife Conservation Office as soon as possible after noticing the unusual behavior of the elephant. The caller explained that the elephant was limping and there was pus oozing out of the wound. Usually, elephants spend long hours in the water when they are in pain, and this attempt could help the elephant relieve the pain. With the experience and the highly skilled expertise, the officials already knew that the elephant was in urgent need of help. So, they rushed to the location with the necessary medicine and equipment. The path to the location was challenging, as they had to cross a river to reach the location, but fortunately, the fishermen were kind enough to offer transportation to the correct location. Their skilled eyes instantly determined the seriousness of the gunshot wounds. As you already know, it is not advisable to sedate an animal in the water, so the officials navigated the elephant to the land. They used different techniques like shouting and clapping to bring the elephant to the land. All these attempts are to save this precious life in the safest manner. Now, after the elephant is navigated to the land, the elephant is sedated with the perfect amount of anesthetic drug using a tranquilizer gun. The dosage is decided by the veterinary doctor based on the body weight, strength level, and the health level of the creature. The sedation process was really challenging with the aggressive behavior and the quick movement of the elephant. They had to dart 2 doses of anesthetic to sedate it. With the experience and the skills of the doctor, he manages to sedate the animal in the correct manner. The officials took great effort to locate the elephant, which was sedated in the forest. At first, the officials confirmed that the elephant is sedated. Now the officials soon prepare the necessary dosages of antibiotics, multivitamins, painkillers, and anti-inflammatory drugs. All these movements are carried out quickly and carefully to avoid the elephant acting aggressively. The prepared medicine is injected into the elephant intramuscularly. Here is some interesting information to add to your journal. How can we identify and confirm that the elephant is sedated? There are a few obvious symptoms and side effects to look for. The penis erection and the elephant may pass urine. The head bends forward, while the trunk reaches the ground. The elephant remains motionless, with flapping ears. After performing a deep investigation on the elephant's wounds, the doctor and the officials confirm that the elephant is seriously injured with 2 gunshot wounds, and the gunshot wounds have now become abscesses. The abscesses are deeply infected and are filled with pus. This wound treatment procedure is shown purely for educational and entertainment purposes, to help raise awareness about wildlife rescue efforts and veterinary care. As the first step, saline solution is used to clean the wound. Then, a disinfectant solution is used to clean the wound, and a syringe was used to inject it into the wound. The primary objective of the technique is to clean the wound and remove any pus or necrotic tissue. The doctor uses forceps and cotton wool to clean the wounded area more deeply. Many of our viewers blame these officials for not performing a surgery to remove the bullet particles from the elephant's leg. However, there is one thing we need to understand. Performing surgery on a wild elephant poses many challenges, making it impractical. Wild elephants are less familiar with human interaction than tamed elephants, which may cause stress when interacting. However, their massive body weight, aggressive behavior, and the requirement for post-operative care provide major challenges. Wild animals require their natural environment, and confining them in one spot until the surgical wounds have fully healed could cause more problems and stress. So, performing surgery on such a huge and aggressive animal may be dangerous. That is why officers make every effort to treat the elephant with the necessary medications. And the wound doesn't pose a threat to the elephant's life. The perfect treatment could heal the elephant over time. Actually, These are the terrible results of human carelessness and selfishness. Human-elephant conflict for limited resources tends to be the main cause of such incidents, as elephants may appear on agricultural grounds in search of food, resulting in significant crop damage and economic loss for poor villagers who have worked tirelessly to harvest their crops. There are deep investigations carried out to capture any criminals who carry out such dangerous acts, and the illegal weapons they use. These cruel individuals will be punished according to the law. As the final step of the treatment, a syringe is used to inject a solution of povidone iodine and negasunt powder into the wound. Now that we have completed the treatments, the revival drug was injected to regain consciousness. A ranger officer was assigned to monitor the progress of the animal. Thanks a lot for sticking till the end. We thank all of our viewers, veterinary doctors, the supportive staff, the fishermen, and all the others who were involved. What are your thoughts about today's video? Don't forget to leave them all in the comments section below. Let's meet again.